मंगलाचरणं कुर्मः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः। In previous classes we have seen parasmaipadi dhatavah, so roots or verbs which belongs to parasmaipada. Within parasmaipada there are all the roots are divided into 10 ganas. So bhuadigana, adadigana, juhotyadigana, divadigana, etc. etc. Among them we are only focusing on bhuadigana, divadigana, tudadigana and churadigana. So first parasmaipada, all the parasmaipadi dhatus are divided into gana and into pada. So there will be some dhatus which will be belonging to bhuadigana, some dhatus will be belonging to divadigana, some dhatus tudadigana and some dhatus churadigana. And again those dhatus will be declined in particular lakar, particular tense. That tense are recognized as lakar in Sanskrit language. They are called as lakar. Why? Because in front, if you see the word lat lakara, lat, there will be la. If you see next lot lakara, there will be la again. First letter will be la la la. So that's how they are named as lakara lakara, like akara akara, ikara ikara. In the similar way, because it starts with la, that's why they are known as lakara. So again those lakaras we are saying. So first lakara we saw lat lakara, which is known as vartamana kala. Vartaman kala. So like bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavathah, bhavatha, bhavami, bhavavah, bhavamah. So titah, anti, sithah, tha, ami, avah, ama. These are pratyayas of lat lakara. So if dhatu belongs to parasmai pada, to make sentences in lat lakara, in vartamana kala, in present tense, we have to use lat lakara pratyayas. Then we saw lot lakara also, which is not used particularly for present tense or past tense or future tense, but it is mood. If we want to order someone, if we want to request someone, we have to use lot lakara. So again lot lakara is for ajnartha. So ajna we put, but there are various meaning, or in various meanings it is used. Vidhi, nimantrana, आमंत्रण, अधिष्ट, संप्रश्न and प्रार्थना. In these arthas, that lot lakara in the sense ajnartha can be used. Then we saw so it will be declined in parasmay pada bhavatu, bhavatat, bhavatam, bhavantu, bhava bhavatat, bhavatam, bhavata and bhavani, bhavava, bhavama. Right? Then lang lakara we saw. Lang lakara is used for past tense, a simple past tense or any another past tense. We use lang lakara. Again, this if dhatu belongs to parasmay pada, that dhatu will be declined like abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan, abhavah, abhavatam, abhavata, abhavam, abhavav, abhavam. Then again we saw another lakara which is known as ling lakara. Within ling lakara there are actually two. One is vidhiling, another is ashirling. Ashirling is purely used for Ashirvad. So that's why we are not, there will be again some 9 different forms of Kriya Pada like Bhuyat, Bhuyastam, Bhuya, Suhu. So that forms we are not going to look at. Laterly, if we get time, we will focus on that also, other Lakaras also. Now we are focusing on Vidhiling Lakara, not Ashirling. So in Vidhiling, that Kriya Pada goes like that, Bhavet, Bhavetam, Bhaveyuhu, Bhavehe, Bhavetam, Bhaveta, Bhaveyam, Bhaveva, Bhavem. Right? Then thereafter, lastly, fifth lakara we have been seeing, that is called Drit lakara. And it is mainly used for future tense. So if dhatu belongs to parasmay pada, it will be very simple. You need to add only sya before ti, taha, anti, si, tha, tha, and mi, vaha, maha. Like it will go bhavishyati, bhavishyatah, bhavishyanti, bhavishyasi, bhavishyatah, bhavishyatha, bhavishyami, bhavishyavah, bhavishyam. Right? Then that was parasmayapadi. We have seen various kriyapada, bhavadigana, divadigana, tudadigana, churadigana. Then we move to atmanepada forms. Right? So in atmanepada also, again there will be difference of pratyayas. If kriyapada, if root belongs to atmanepada, then there will be some different forms. So in meaning will be same. If I say aham namami, aham vande. Aham namami means I bow down, I bow, or aham vande, I bow. Meaning is same, but what is the difference? Difference, nama dhatu belongs to parasmay pada, that's why we are using namami. I cannot say name. Why? Because that particular dhatu belongs to parasmay pada. And vanda dhatu belongs to atmanepada. That's why I cannot say vandami. I have to say vande, aham vande. This difference is there because of their pada. If dhatu belongs to parasmay pada, we have to use parasmayapadi pratyaya only. If dhatu belongs to atmanepada, we have to use atmanepadi pratyayas. So in atmanepada, if some dhatu, like let's take vanda dhatu, parasmayapadi pratyayas we have to add, atmanepadi pratyaya we have to add vandate, vandete, vandante, vandase, vandethe, vandadve, vande, vandavahe, vandamahe. Then again lot lakara, meaning is same. There nama dhatu, if it is there namatu, namatat, namantu, right? Here we have to little bit change. Here we will be making vandatam, vandetam, vandantam, vandasva, vandetham, vandadvam, vandai, vandavahai, vandamahi. And in lang lakara, meaning is again same, past tense. So you need to use a, whether that is parasmay pada or atmani pada, that doesn't matter. Before kriya pada we have to put a, right? Then pratyay will be changing. What are the pratyaya? Ta, itam, antam, like that. So vandata, avandetam, avandanta, avandathaha, avandetham, avandadvam, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. These are atmanepadi pratyayas for lang lakara. Now ling lakara also we had seen. Vidhiling lakara. Vidhiling lakara, again there are some pratyayas which will be different from parasmepadi pratyayas. Let's take a vanda dhatu and decline. Vandeta, vandeyatam, vanderan, vandethaha, vandeyatham, vandedvam, vandeya, vandevahi, Vandeemahi. So this how up to Vidhiling Lakara we had seen, right? I hope you have memorized those all the forms of Atmanipada, right? How many Lakars you remember without looking at your notes? Any of you have memorized? Lat Lakara, Lot Lakara, Parasmipada, Atmanipada. Hmm?
लट
Yes.
लकार
हाँ, लट लकार.
लट लकार परस्मैपदी और आत्मनेपदी याद अच्छे से हो गया है, मगर
हाँ, एक सुनना
हाँ
चाहूंगा मैं.
हाँ कौन सा धातु ले लूं?
आपको जो भी सरल लगे वो.
परस्मैपदी में पठती लेती हूँ. पठ धातु. पठति पठतः पठन्ति. पठसि पठतः पठन्. पठसि पठतः पठथ. पठामि पठाव पठाम. लङ् लकार अपठत् अपठताम् अपठत्.
अपठन.
अपठथ अपठन्. अपठथ अपठतम् अपठत्. अपठाम अपठाव अपठाम.
Again, लंग लकार you missed up. अपठत.
अपठत अपठत अपठताम अपठन अपठथ अपठ ओनली अपठ
अपठः.
अपठताम अपठः अपठतम अपठत
अपठत.
अपठत अपठा अपठाम
अपठम.
अपठाव अपठम अपठाव अपठाम.
Nice.
भविष्य का पठिष्यामि पठिष्याव सॉरी पठिष्यति पठिष्यत पठिष्यन्ति पठिष्यसि पठिष्यथ पठिष्यथ पठिष्यामि पठिष्याव पठिष्याम.
पठिष्यावः पठिष्यामः.
अगेन भविष्य का हो गया और कुछ रह गया.
लोट लकार, विधिलिंग लकार.
पठतु पठताम पठन्तु. पठ पठत पठतम पठत पठ पठामि पठाव पठाम.
नाइस. विधिलिंग लकार.
विधिलिंग लकार पठेत पठेताम पठेयुः. पठेथा पठेथाम पठेध्वम. पठेय पठेयावहि पठेयामहि. कंफ्यूज हो गई शायद.
आत्मनिपद मिक्स किया आपने.
वो
पठेत पठेताम पठेयुः. अच्छा, ठीक है, अच्छा किया. आत्मनिपदे एनीवन wants to decline in आत्मनिपद? राम बालाजी, अमरीशा जी, नंदिनी जी.
वंद धातु.
If possible, turn on your camera so I can see you. Otherwise, I am just looking.
वंदन्ते वंदसे वंदेथे वंदद्वे वंदे वंदावहे वंदामहे.
हाँ, nice. लोट लकार.
वंदताम वंदेताम
वंदन्ताम
वंदन्ताम.
Correct.
वंदस्व वंदथाम वंदत्वम.
Hmm.
वंदै वंदावहै वंदामहै.
Nice. Next lakara, लंग लकार.
अवंदत
अवंदत.
अवंदत अवंदत. अवंदेताम अवंदंत.
अवंदंत.
अवंदथाः अवंदथाम अवंदत्वम अवंदद्वम. अवंदे अवंदावहे अवंदामहे.
अवंदावही अवंदामहे.
अवंदावहे.
जी. विधिलिंग लकार नाउ.
अवंदेत.
न वंदेत.
ओ वंदेत. वंदे वंदेताम
वंदेयाताम.
वंदेयाताम. वंदे एरन.
वंदेरन.
वंदेरन. वंदेरन. वंदेथाः
वन्देयाथाम,
वन्देथाम,
वन्देयाथाम,
ओ वन्देयाथाम, वन्देयध्वम, वन्देय,
वन्दे वही,
वन्दे, वन्दे ये वही,
न वन्दे वही, वन्दे मही.
वन्दे वही, वन्दे मही.
Nice. Rama Balaji, do you want to decline any
पच
Kriya?
धातु
Pachad.
परस्मैपदी. पचति पचतः पचन्ति, पचसि पचथः पचथ, पचामि पचावः पचामः. लट् लकार.
हाँ, done.
लङ्
Next.
लक
हाँ,
लङ् लकार. अपचत् अपचताम्, अपचन्, अपचः अपचतम् अपचथ, अपचामि अपचामि
अपचम.
अपचम् अपचाव अपचाम.
Nice.
लृट्
हाँ, दृढ़
लकार.
लकार.
पश्यति पश्यतः पश्यन्ति, पश्यसि पश्यतः.
Did you use pachati dhatu or pathati dhatu?
पच धातु.
Oh, okay, then fine.
पच धातु.
Pakshati, pakshatah.
पश्यति पश्यतः पश्यन्ति, पश्यसि पश्यतः पश्यथ, पश्यामि पश्यावः पश्यामः.
हाँ, पक्षावह, पक्षामः. Right?
लोट् लकारे
हाँ.
पचतु पचतां पचन्तु, पच पचतं पचत, पचानि पचाव पच.
हाँ, पचानी, पचाव, पचाम. विधिलिंग लकार पचेत.
विधिलिंग पचेत पचेतां पचेयुः, पचेः पचेतां पचेत, पचेयं पचेव पचेम.
हाँ जी. और वैशाली जी?
आत्मनेपदी not confident, sir.
No worries, you will get it slowly. हाँ.
I will try क्रू धातु महोदय.
No, that is little difficult. We haven't seen that, right?
Yes. Okay. Then
whatever kriya padas we had seen, you can take in.
लज्ज धातु, लज्जते we have taken, sir.
Yes, you can.
हाँ. लज्जते लज्जेते लज्जन्ते, लज्जसे लज्जेथे लज्जद्वे, लज्जे लज्जावहे लज्जामहे. अलज्जे अलज्जेताम अलज्जन् अलज्जेथाः.
Now you are mixing up little bit.
लंग लकार I am saying लज्ज.
अलज्जत,
अलज्जत अलज्जेताम अलज्जन्त
अलज्जन्त,
अलज्जन्त अलज्जेथाः अलज्जेथाम अलज्जध्वम् अलज्जे अलज्जावहि अलज्जामहि. भविष्यकाल लज्जिष्यते लज्जिष्येते लज्जिष्यन्ते लज्जिष्यसे लज्जिष्येथे लज्जिष्यद्वे लज्जिष्ये लज्जिष्यावहे लज्जिष्यामहे. लोट लकार लज्जेताम लज्जताम लज्जेताम लज्जन्ताम लज्जस्व लज्जेथाम लज्जध्वम लज्जै लज्जावहै लज्जामहै. विधिलिंग लकार लज्जेत लज्जेयाताम लज्जेयरन लज्जेयथाः लज्जेयथाम लज्जेध्वम लज्जेय लज्जेवहि लज्जेमहि.
Nice. Now these were kriya padas. Now we are going to move to shabdas. Ramah shabda we have seen. So who wants to decline Rama shabda now? This class will be revision, I guess, because we are going very slowly. Ramah,
रामः रामो रामाः, रामं रामौ रामान्, रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः, रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामस्य रामयोः रामाणां रामे रामयोः रामेषु हे रामो हे राम.
Now another word. Next word is Vanam Shabda will take. Right? Vanam Shabda.
Vanam is also like Rama Shabdam again. Prathama Dvitiya
नपुंसक.
different.
Tritiya
Vanam Vane
onwards.
Vanani, Vanam Vane Vanani.
वनेन वनाभ्यां वनैः वनाय वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः वनात् वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः वनस्य वनयोः वनानां वने वनयोः वनेषु हे वने वनानि. Right? Next, Hari Shabda. Now someone else, those who haven't, they can. Swati ji, Amrisha ji. Again we will.
हरि
हाँ, Hari Shabda.
हरि हरि हर्यः हरिं हरि हरिन् हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरि हर्यः ने हरिभिः हरिभिः हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः हरये हरयेः हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः हरे हरयोः हरिणां हरि ने हरौ 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 हरियोः हरेषु हे हरि हे हरि हे हरि हे हरे हे हरि हे हरो हे हरियः सॉरी हे हरियः
हे हरे हे हरि हे हरे. While declining, we have to also focus on rasva and dirgha. So like a tritiya bahuvachan, if you see, it is harin.
Hari.
Right? If you say harinam, that would be again harinam, right? So again, okay. Then Guru Shabda also goes similar to Hari Shabda, only little bit change is there. Amrisha ji, are you there? Otherwise, someone else can. Guru who?
Okay. Guruhu, Guru, Guruvah. Gurum, Guruhu, Gurun. Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhihi.
Dual is
Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah. Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah. Guroho, Gurvoho, Gurunam. Gurau, Gurvoho, Gurushu. He Guru, He Guru, He Guru, He Guru, He Guruvah.
He Guravaha. Right? Then next word, which one we have seen? Nadi athva Mati. Mati hi Shabda will seen, then we will move to Nadi. Mati hi Shabda. Srilinga Shabda. Who wants to decline Mati Shabda? It will be similar to Hari Shabda. And again there will be 4th case, 5th case and 6th case, 7th case. There will be changes. Please decline it. Otherwise I can. Okay.
Matihi,
one by
Matihi, Matau, Matayah.
No.
Mati.
Oh, Matihi, Matihi, Mati, Matayah. Matim, Mati, Matihi. Matya, Matibhyam,
Matinta.
Matihi. Matyai. Matyai और मत्तये दो, right? Matibhyam, Matibhyah. Matyaah, Matehe, Matibhyam, Matibhyah. Matyaah, Matehe, Matyoho, Matinam. Matya, Matyam और मतौ.
हाँ, correct now.
हाँ, मत्योहो, मतिषु. हे मते, हे मतौ, हे मतयः.
Nice. Next word is Nadi. Who wants to decline Nadi Shabda now?
Nadi. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah.
Who is declining? One person can. Rambala. Okay, Swati ji, you can go.
नदी नद्यो नद्यः नदीं नद्यो नदीः नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः नद्याः नद्योः नदीनां नदां नद्यो नदीषु नदीषु हे नदी हे नदो हे नदः
हे नदी हे नद्यौ
नद्यो
नद्यः.
नद्यो
Right?
नद्यो. Yeah.
Then we have seen kartru shabda. Karta.
कर्ता कर्तारो
Decline. Rambala ji.
एक निमिषं I have not got it by heart. Can I see?
Acha, acha. Yes, you can try now. Karta.
ना कर्तारौ कर्तारि कर्तारः
कर्तारः कर्तारं कर्तारौ कर्तॄन्.
कर्ता कर्तारो कर्तारः कर्तारं कर्तारौ कर्तॄन् कर्त्रा कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभिः कर्त्रे कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभ्यः कर्तृः कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभ्यः कर्तृः कर्त्रोः कर्तॄणां कर्तरि कर्त्रोः कर्तृषु हे कर्तः हे कर्तारौ हे कर्तारः.
Nice. Atma shabda we had seen.
That I don't remember.
Anyone?
No remember.
Atma.
Atma.
I will try.
Yes, please.
आत्मा आत्मनो आत्मनः आत्मानं आत्मनो आत्मनः आत्मने आत्मभ्याम् आत्मना आत्मभ्याम् आत्मभिः आत्मने आत्मभ्याम् आत्मभ्यः आत्मनः आत्मभ्याम् आत्मभ्यः आत्मनः आत्मनोः आत्मनाम् आत्मनि आत्मनोः आत्मसु हे आत्मन हे आत्मनौ हे आत्मनः.
हे आत्मन हे आत्मानौ हे आत्मानः.
आत्मानौ हे आत्मानः.
Prathama and Sambodhan is similar, little bit difference. That's it. So again we have seen words also. Now if you memorize all these things, it will be useful for you, right? If I ask any, like let me, balakeshu is the word. What will be the meaning of balakeshu?
Many, bahuvachan, saptami bahuvachan, na, I think.
How you will translate in English?
बालकों में और बालकों पर.
Right? So I had given a chart. So all cases you can use either with preposition, English prepositions, otherwise Hindi mein par, balako mein, right? Let me ask another. Harina. What is the word? Which case?
Of many kids.
No, I'm saying Harina.
Harina.
By Hari.
By Hari. Which case is this?
Tritiya.
Vibhakti. So we have to say Hari Shabdah. Tritiya Vibhakti. Ekavachan. Right? Let me use another. Gurave.
गुरुवे चतुर्थी एकवचन. गुरुवे
चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचनम. गुरु शब्द चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचनम. कर्तरी. So this is famous shabda. We have seen.
सप्तमी एकवचन.
कर्तृ.
Right? Another word. बालकाभ्याम.
बालकाभ्याम 3 बार आएगा.
Tritiya in all the words. Second, third, fourth, fifth.
Correct. Let me ask. Atmanah.
आत्मनः बहुवचन.
Which बहुवचन?
प्रथमा बहुवचन. प्रथमा बहुवचन.
द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन.
I said Atmanah, not
Dvitiya
Atmanah.
द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन.
पंचमी षष्ठी एक वचन
हाँ,
होते.
Dvitiya Bahuvachan as well as Panchami and Shashti. So how to know whether that is Dvitiya or Panchami or Shashti? You have to understand the context, right? Aham Jivatmanah Pashyami. So which case means now what is the meaning of this sentence? Aham Jivatmanah Jivatmanah Pashyami.
I can see
द्वितीया
my own
बहुवचन.
self.
द्वितीया बहुवचन.
Here I use the word Atmanah, right?
Ekvachana.
Atmanah.
I can see own self.
Now again, you have to refer your,
Panch.
I see, that was correct. Atmanah I use, that is plural. Jivatmanah. Aham Jivatmanah Pashyami. Right? Did you get the sentence?
Self.
Shashti.
बहुवचन I use द्वितीया बहुवचनम. आत्मा आत्मानौ आत्मानः आत्मानम आत्मानौ आत्मनः. So I just added jiva shabda jivatmanah. द्वितीया बहुवचन.
द्वितीया बहुवचन.
I see various jiva. So that was the meaning. Now let me change the sentence. You have to guess whether that is fifth case or sixth case. Aham jivatmanah swarupam pashyami.
Form.
षष्ठी एक वचन.
Shashti.
स्वरूपम. हम उसका स्वरूप देख रहे हैं. उसका
आत्मा का
Of.
स्वरूप. आत्मा का स्वरूप. So there is a
आत्मा
sambandha connection, right? Atmanah swarupam pashyami. Let me change it now. Aham atmanah vikaram pashyami. अथवा आत्मनः आत्मनः आकाशः सम्भूतः. आत्मनः आकाशः सम्भवति. Let me make it simple.
From.
No. संभवति. आकाशः. प्रथमा.
सम्भवति उद्भवति. Let's take उद्भवति. Udbhavati, from where?
पंचमी.
Panchami.
There will be Panchami. So we have to understand the context. Then you will get to whether that is Dvitiya or whether that is Panchami or Shashti, right? Few more questions. Aham कार्यकर्तॄन् कार्यं बोधयामि.
कार्य.
Bodhayami. Understand.
No, bodhati means to know, to understand. Bodhayami.
Understand. No? Bodhayami.
कार्यकर्तॄन्. द्वितीया बहुवचन.
Telling them.
Correct. Making them understand. Right? So, aham कार्यकर्तॄन् कार्यं बोधयामि.
I understand the work from the one who is working. Matlab, the karyakarta.
I make them understand that.
I make them understand. Okay, okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Sanskrit has
Now,
to be.
The translation will be like little bit.
Yes,
here and there,
it
okay?
goes.
Again. Uddharet atmanah atmanam. Now you should know. You know declination.
That's a Gita ji slok, right?
Yes. You know, lakar is also uddharet. Uddharet means what?
Dvitiya.
Is release.
Sorry.
उद्धरित रिलीज करना.
No, uddharet in the sense it is actually means to lift. Uddharet. Haret means to le jana. Upari. Right? So it means to lift. Uddharet. Which lakara is this?
उद्धरित आत्मनेपदी.
Parasmai lat.
Parasmay pada.
Lat lakar.
Purna. This dhatu, particular dhatu, it belongs to Parasmay pada, whether Parasmay pada or Atmani pada. Then whether this is Prathama Purusha or Bahuvachana or singular, whatever. So it like you have to say, Ruharati dhatu, Ud upasarga purvak, Ruharati dhatu, Parasmay pada, Vidhiring lakara, Prathama Purusha, एकवचनम,
एकवचनम.
right? Uddharet. Kam uddharet, to whom?
आत्मनो आत्मनो
Okay, there should be one word. Uddharet atmanam. Atmanam uddharet. Kah uddharet?
आत्मनात्.
सः
You need to add karma.
Saha.
Saha. Either you can use saha uddharet. Saha, you can again put atma. Atmanam atmana uddharet.
अच्छा
आत्मना तृतीया एकवचन आत्मना द्वितीया एकवचन.
Huh. So now see, अथवा let me make it simple. Saha atmana atmanam uddharet means what?
आत्मना is तृतीया.
तृतीय एकवचन.
तृतीया
आत्मना.
I
आत्मना.
lift myself from myself.
आत्मने.
How it can happen? If we see Vedanta, they say there is only
Knowledge.
one Atman, right? Only one Atma. Then how Bhagwan is saying, oh Arjuna, Atmanam
By yourself.
Atmana uddharet. So actually there is another meaning of that Atma Shabda. Jivatma Swatmanam uddharet. So by mind and intellect, he should lift by good mind and by good intellect, he should lift himself. That would be the translation. If you see Shankaracharya, he will be using that kind of interpretation. Okay, uddharet atmanam 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 avasadayat atmaiva yahamabandhu. Another shloka will. Any another shloka from Gita, so we will try to understand the concept of this Kriya Pada as well as all the words. Any another shloka you can, whatever you know.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहत स्वभावः.
Okay, now
पृच्छामि
we'll.
त्वाम्. अच्छा, I don't know whether it पृच्छामि.
Correct. Karpanya dosha.
पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढचेतः.
Correct. Now let's take that first quarter. That's it. Karpanya dosho. It will be Karpanya dosha. Upahata swabhavah. Doshopahata swabhavah. Upahata swabhavah. Right? Pruchhami tvam. How am I? Dharma sammudha cheta. Who is asking? Who is asking this?
Arjuna.
Arjuna is asking to
Bhagwan, Lord Krishna.
Bhagavan. Now Arjuna is saying, Aham karpanya doshopahata swabhavah asmi. Means what? I am the. How will you translate? Try to translate it. Karpanya, karpanyata. Right? कार्पण्य रूपी दोष से युक्त मैं अर्जुन आपको पूछ रहा हूँ. राइट? कार्पण्य दोष अपहत उपहत स्वभाव.
पृच्छामि यानी पूछना ना?
पूछना. पृच्छामि त्वाम. एंड हाउ एम आई? धर्म सम्मूढ़ चेता. I don't know what is dharma, what is artha. So actually this is again dharma sammudha chetas. It is sakaranta word. It is not bahuvachana, prathama vibhakti bahuvachana. Right? It is prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Sakaranta shabda we haven't seen it. Nachiketas, nachiketaha will be prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Okay. Similarly, karpanya dosho pruchhami tvam dharma sammudha chetaha. Chetaha प्रथमा विभक्ति एक वचनम. पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढ़ चेताः यत् श्रेयः स्यात्. स्यात्. Which lakara is this? Try to guess.
આપણે આ કર્યું હતું ને
विधिलिंग लकार
આત્મનેપદ.
It is Parasmaipadya and
Vidhiling.
Vidhiling Lakar. Correct. Syat
ત્યાર
will happen or should happen like that. Actually, Vidhiling Lakara, Syat, Syatam, Syuhu. That's how it goes. As Dhatu, which belongs to Dvitiyagan, which we haven't seen it. Dvitiyagan, Adadigan, right? Okay, Syat. What Syat? Yat Nishreyah Syat. That which is Nishreyah. Nishreyasah means what? Good. Nishreyas. That which is good. Yat Nishreyah Syat. Tat me bruhi. Tat mama krute bruhi. Tat mahyam bruhi अथवा tat mam bruhi. Bruhi, say. You say. You say to me. That is the translation. Okay. Yat shreyasya nishchitam bruhi tanme. Why I should tell you? He gives a reason. Shishyaha te aham te shishyaha asmi. I am your student. That's why what you should do. He is asking Bhagwan, oh Bhagwan, aham te shishyah mam shadhi prapannah sharanagatah aham tvam prapannah. I have surrendered myself to you. Now tvam shadhi. Shasti, again Shastram Shabda we had seen in Gita, right? So you tell me, right, about that Nishreyas. Another shloka. We'll practice for a few more minutes.
Okay. बहुनाम जन्मनाम अन्ते ज्ञानवानं प्रपद्यते वासुदेव सर्वमिति समात्मा सदुर्लभः.
Right. So bahunam, which case is this? What will be the main shabda, main noun? Bahunam, which form is this?
बहु
Bahunam.
षष्ठी बहुवचनम ना
like a
Shashti.
bahunam is similar to sarvanam.
No.
ना बहु
Karanta.
बहु बहुत ना बहुत
Bahut, yes. So what would be the main word I am asking?
बहु is no main word sir.
Bahu. So it will be declined like Guru Shabda. Right?
Guru.
If you see Shashti Vibhakti of Guru, it will be Guroho, Gurvoho, Gurunam, Bahoho, Bhavvoho, Bahunam.
Bahunam.
So it is the adjective of Janma. Bahunam, Janmanam, Ante. Janmanah again, Janmanam again, Shashti Vibhakti, Bahuvachan. Janmanam Ante, Ante, Antame.
Last
Right?
last
Last. Correct. Bahunam Janmanam Ante. Jnanavan.
The knowledgeable.
One who possesses knowledge, he is called Jnanavat. Dhanavan. Dhanavat is the main word. Again, we haven't seen Vatu Pratyanta rupas like Bhagavan, Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavantah. In the similar way, Jnanavan, Jnanavantau, Jnanavantah. That will be declined that way, right? We'll see that laterly. So Jnanavan is Prathama Vibhakti, Ekvachanam. Jnanavan Mam Prapadyate. Padyate dhatu we have seen. Which
With
means
upsarga right?
para upasarga purvak pada dhatu. Atmane pada. Right? We had seen this dhatu.
आत्मने पद लट लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन.
Correct. What is the meaning of pada dhatu?
पद्य
Padyate is
Pada.
the form.
Prashamsa.
But
Prashamsa.
no. Padyate we had seen in that
Vanda.
lakara. Sorry.
वंदन करना ना
Now you can refer your notes like a pada dhatu, it belongs to Atmanepada and Divadigana. Lots of hints I have to give. Pada dhatu, padyate, to gain, to attain, right? You will find there. Jnanavan mam prapadyate. He attains me, he comes to me.
Padya is होना,
No, with I am
प्राप्त
not saying
करना, प्राप्त करना.
prapta karna. So jnanavan mam prapadyate. Next line. Bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan mam prapadyate. Vasudevah sarvam asti iti. Asti, there was not kriyapada, I have added asti. Vasudevah sarvam asti. Sarvam iti. Means what? Sarvam jagat is nothing but Vasudeva.
Krishna.
Vasudeva sarvamiti. Then Samahatma Sudurlabha. Okay, Vasudeva, one who thinks like everything is nothing but Vasudeva, one who thinks like that, that Mahatma is rare Mahatma. You will not find people thinking like that. Ishavasimitam sarvam yatkincha jagatyam jagat. Right? Any another shloka?
अनन्यास चिन्तयन्तो माये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्.
Right. So, Ananyaha. How will you decline this word? Ramaha, Ramau.
रामाः.
In the similar way, Ananyaha, Ananyau, Ananyaha.
अनन्याः.
So, Ananyaha is the word. Ananyaha means what? Ananyaha means what? You have to, you have to try to guess the meaning by looking at the word. Anyaha means what?
दूसरा.
दूसरा.
Correct, dusra. Na
Other.
Anyaha means what? Na Anyaha.
Not other.
बहुवचन. अन्य बहुवचन.
हाँ, अन्य मतलब दूसरा. न अन्यः मतलब अनन्य.
Means अनन्य.
जिसके लिए दूसरा कुछ नहीं है भगवान के अलावा, उसको बोलते हैं अनन्य भक्त. Right? अनन्य. So that is बहुवचन. अनन्याः, which kind of bhaktas? Ananyaha bhakta. And how they think? Chintayantah. Now chintayan, there is a shatru pratyaya, which is actually used for continuous tense. Chintayan. Aham chintayan pathayami. I think also and I explain here, right? While thinking, I am explaining. So, Ananyaha chintayantah upasate. They worship while thinking about God. Ananyaha chintayantah mam. Now Bhagwan is speaking, that's why he is saying mam. How? Ananyaha chintayantah mam paryupasate. Pari upasate. Pari means paritah, abhayatah, ubhayatah, actually sarvatah, from all the sides, in the sense. For we can take that paritah in from desha, all the places, all in all, all periods of time, that way also we can take. So every time, everywhere they do upasana. And if such people do like this, then what do I do for them? Ananyaha chintayantah mam e janaha paryupasate tesham nitya abhiyuktanam. Nitya abhiyuktanam. Which case is this?
अभियुक्तः
Is the
नाम.
word.
So षष्ठी बहुवचन.
Shashti. What will the meaning of this word? Abhiyuktanam. How you will translate?
Yukta. Abhiyuktanam. Yukta means like joined. Joined, right?
Correct.
Abhaya means Abhaya Yukta.
Abhi means like near,
Okay.
too close, right?
Yeah. Okay. अभियुक्तानां तेषां किं करोमि? वहामि, to carry. What do I carry?
Vahami means uttam purusha ekvachana.
Correct. उत्तम पुरुष एक
In
वचनम. अहम
parasmaipadi.
वहामि. Correct.
Parasmaipadi uttam purusha ekvachana.
Correct. अहम वहामि. किम वहामि?
Yogakshemam.
योगक्षेमम. What does योगक्षेमम mean?
Like
good health and yoga.
everything. Everything is good for you.
Correct. That
Shema
is
means
yoga
good.
kshema.
Yoga
Well-being.
Yoga means
good.
good. And kshema means then?
Good health. Shema means
Okay. Let me. So yoga kshema, actually this word is nothing but our whole life, you know. Whatever we do, that's come under this category. What is yoga means? Apraptasya praptihi yoga. That which not attained or not attained it, that is called yoga. And kshama means what? Whatever you have gained, taking care of that thing. So think, yoga means जो अभी तक मिला नहीं उसकी चिंता, और जो प्राप्त है उसका संभाल है कि नहीं, उसको बोलते क्षेम. जो प्राप्त नहीं है उसकी प्राप्ति की इच्छा योग, जो प्राप्त है उसका परिपालन क्षेम. तो इसमें ही सारा अपना आयुष्य चला जाता है कि नहीं. सो भगवान इज सेइंग आई टेक केयर ऑफ योगक्षेम, राइट. योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. Any another श्लोक?
क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोह, सम्मोह स्मृति विभ्रम, स्मृति भ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो, बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति.
Right. Now here it is simple. Krodhat. Which case is this?
षष्ठी एक वचन.
Right.
Panchami.
And
Shashti.
whether that is Shashti or Panchami, still confused.
ओ पंचमी sorry. षष्ठी तो रामस्य, षष्ठी तो रामस्य. क्रोधात्,
Correct.
क्रोधस्य. Sorry.
No problem.
सप्तमी एक वचन.
Krodhat bhavati.
ओ पंचमी एक वचन. I was like back and forth. पंचमी एक वचन. क्रोधात्.
What? Now let's make a simple sentence. Krodhat sammohah bhavati. Bhavati means what?
होना, to be.
To be, to become, or to, you know, again, to born. That way it can be taken in this case. Krodhat sammohah bhavati means what?
गुस्से में अपना शुद्ध बुद्ध हर लेना, भूल जाना.
मोहात, मोह can be taken as भ्रम, delusion. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोह. सम्मोहात्
Lose our memory. In this we lose
memory. Whenever we are angry, we don't know. Moha means what? Like
illusion.
Bhram, delusion.
लालच.
Smriti vibhram means whenever there is a brahma, you will not be able to discriminate what is good, what is bad. Smriti vibhram. Smriti bhramshat buddhinasha. And buddhinashat, that was very simple shloka, only Panchami, Prathama and Kriyapada, that's it. Any another?
The first loka. धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किम कुर्वत संजयः.
Right. Now किम कुर्वत, what is this? Whether this is Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi? Kim akurvata. Akurvata, whether this is Parasmepada or Atmanepada.
आत्मनेपद.
Atmanepada, right? Avandata, avandeta, avandanta. Similarly, right? किम् अकुरुत? फर्स्ट धर्मक्षेत्रे, कुरुक्षेत्रे. Which case is
Just
this?
like Rame, so Saptami Ekvachana.
सप्तमी एकवचनम. धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेताः.
Samavetaha.
Equal it. Samaveta. Veta.
Which case is this? समवेताः. प्रथमा विभक्ति
बहुवचन
Bahuvachana.
बहुवचनम. समवेताः means एकत्रिताः.
Oh, Samavekatrita.
युयुत्सवः. What would be the main word?
Utsava? No.
No.
Yuyutsu. Yuyutsu.
Correct. Yuyutsu. Yodhum ichuhu. Yuyutsuhu. So if you decline yuyutsu word, how will you decline? Ukaranta shabda.
गुरु शब्दवत्
Guru
Guruvaha.
shabda. Guruhu, guru, guravaha. In the same way, yuyutsuhu, yuyutsu, yuyutsavaha means what? So those who have desire to fight, ekatritaha, they are gathered together, right? Ekatritaha. Who are they?
Mamakaha.
And Pandavaha. Kim akurvata? So this is very simple question again. Now you can understand the shloka. In the place of Dharmakshetra, Kurukshetra, which is known as Dharmakshetra, those who have desire to fight against, they have come here. And who are they? Mamakaha, the son of mine, Dhartarashtraha and Pandavaha. So this is the simple meaning. Okay, then we will stop here. You can practice like this. You can take up one shloka. You can identify whether this is Prathama or Shashti or whatever, right? And literally add Kriya Pada. Try to make sentences within shloka, like Krodhat Bhavati Sammoha, one sentence. Krodhat Bhavati Sammoha, Sammohat Smriti Vibhrama, another sentence. Like that, practice it. Right? Okay. Tomorrow we will move to next Lakara. Today this was just revision.
Thank you, sir. Adios.
Thank you, sir.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavad.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.